I talk all the time about how much I love how customizable GeoDirectory is. A great example of that is their Custom Fields feature. Custom fields can be added to custom post types to show additional information, like phone numbers or website addresses. I'll show you how to get those set up in this video. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started in our WordPress backend, and the first thing I want to do is explain a little bit about what the custom fields are. So when you install GeoDirectory, you're going to have a custom post type called Places. So if we go ahead and click into Places, and then we click Add New, you're going to see that we have some options here under Place Information that we could put in that's unique to this listing. Like we can put in the address, and we can put in the city, and we can put in the zip code. But what if we want more? What if we want to add social media links, or what if we want to add an email address for contact information? Well, all of that would be done in the custom field section. So let me show you how to get to that. So this feature actually works really well with custom post types. I did go through this in another video showing you how to create custom post types, but for my website specifically, I have a custom post type called RV Parks. So I'm going to show you how to add custom fields to this post type, the RV Parks post type, and it's going to be unique to that post type. Like the custom fields we add here are going to be different for the ones that are added on the Places custom post type that comes with default with GeoDirectory. And this can be useful for you in many, many ways, because if you have a directory that has lots of different types of listings, you're probably not going to need the same information for all the listings. So to work with the custom fields, go ahead and hover over the name of your custom post type and then click Settings. And it should open up automatically to the Custom Fields tab. And what we're seeing here is we're seeing the options for custom fields on the left, and then we're seeing the listings form on the right. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to add them to the form. Now we've got three sections here. We've got standard fields, predefined fields, and custom fields. Now the custom fields are going to be if you want to add your own fields. That's done through developers and programming, which is beyond me, or through plugins. So we're not really going to worry about that here. We're just going to worry about the predefined and the standard fields that come with GeoDirectory. Now there are a couple things I want to add to my listing form, but first let's go ahead and do the contact email. So if you click contact email, it's going to automatically show up on your listing form. And now here you have some settings. This is the label for the field setting for the custom field, the description, if it's active or not. If you shut this off and make it inactive, it's not going to show up anywhere on the site. So we're going to keep this active. If you want it to be admin edit only, which means that if you let people randomly put listings on the site and you don't want them to be able to do this custom field on their own, you can make this admin edit only so they cannot. Next, you can choose where you want to show this information. It automatically it's pre-selected that it shows up on the details page sidebar. You can also add it to the listings page and to the map bobble if you so choose. I'm actually not going to put this email on the map bobble. And then you can also decide if you want it to be required or not. I am not going to make that required. And lastly, you can make this a conditional field if you want, which means that you could choose to show or hide it depending on what is going on with another field. You could also delete this if you'd like. If you change your mind and decide you don't want it, by clicking the little garbage can icon next to it in the form, or you could also drag it and move its location on the form by hovering over these dots over here and moving it wherever you want it to go. And don't forget to click Save when you're done. Now when we click Add New and we scroll down, we see the option to add in an email address. So there you go. Now you know how to add custom fields to your custom post types for your GeoDirectory website. If I was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you're making your own website, make sure to check the description for a freebie download for a website roadmap so you can make sure that you're doing everything you need to do to get your site up and running. Thanks so much for watching.